With Johnson and Jupiter in her hair. She acts like summer and walks like rain. Reminds me that there's time to change. Since the return of a stay on the moon, and she listens like spring, and she talks like June. But tell me, did you sail across the sun? Did you make it to the Milky Way to see the lights all faded? Man, heaven is overrated. And tell me, did you fall for a shooting star? One without a permanent scar, and did you miss me while you were looking for yourself out there?